Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom and discover the path to passive income online? Welcome, aspiring digital nomads and adventurers alike. In this video, we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of remote work, travel, and the freedom of the open road. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or dreaming a life on the go, join us as we explore how to turn your RV into your office, your travels into your inspiration, and your passion for exploration into your livelihood. Let's get ready to redefine the way you work, live, and experience the world. Let's hit the road together. Affiliate marketing is a powerful method for earning passive income online. The concept is simple. You promote products or services through unique affiliate links. And when someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. Build trust with your audience by providing honest and valuable recommendations. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you could promote workout equipment, nutritional supplements, or online training programs. By creating high-quality content that showcases the benefits of these products, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and earn commissions with each sale. Creating and selling digital products is another lucrative way to generate passive income online. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or software, digital products have the advantage of being scalable and easily replicable. To get started, identify a niche where you have expertise and create valuable content that solves a problem or fulfills a need. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could create an ebook on graphic design tips for beginners. Market your digital products through your website, social media, or email list, and set up automated systems for sales and delivery. With each sale, you'll earn passive income without the need for ongoing maintenance or fulfillment. Print on demand allows you to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without any upfront investment. Simply design your products such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Teespring. When a customer places an order, the platform handles production, shipping, and customer service, leaving you with passive profits. For example, if you're an artist, you could create unique illustrations and sell them on t-shirts through a print-on-demand website. With each sale, you'll earn a commission without ever having to deal with inventory or shipping logistics. If you have a passion for photography, you can monetize your skills by selling your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Build a portfolio of high-quality images across different genres, from landscapes to portraits, and submit them to stock photography websites. Every time a customer downloads your photo, you'll earn a royalty fee. For example, a travel photographer could upload stunning images of exotic destinations, earning passive income every time they're licensed for use in advertisements or publications. Peer-to-peer lending offers the opportunity to earn passive income through interest payments. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to lend money and earn interest on your investment. To get started, open an account, deposit funds, and choose loans to invest in based on factors like credit risk and interest rates. Automated investing options make it easy to diversify your portfolio and maximize return. For example, imagine a retiree looking to supplement their income. By investing in peer-to-peer lending, they can earn steady returns without the volatility of the stock market. YouTube monetization from Google. YouTube offers content creators the opportunity to monetize their videos through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To qualify for YouTube's partner program, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can enable monetization on your videos and start earning money from ads displayed before, during, or after your content. Additionally, you can partner with brands for sponsored content or promote affiliate products in your videos. For example, a beauty YouTuber could collaborate with a cosmetics brand for a sponsored makeup tutorial or recommend skincare products in their video. Real estate crowdfunding allows investors to pool their resources and invest in commercial or residential properties online. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Shares provide access to real estate investments with lower minimums and reduced barriers to entry compared to traditional real estate investing. Investors can earn passive income through rental income, property appreciation, and potential tax advantages. For example, an investor could participate in a crowd-funded real estate project, such as a multifamily apartment complex or commercial office building, and earn dividends from rental income generated by the property. Membership sites offer a recurring revenue stream by providing exclusive content or services to subscribers. To create a successful membership site, identify a niche where you have expertise and offer valuable content or resources that are not available. For example, a fitness trainer could create a membership site with workout plans, meal recipes, and personalized coaching. Charge a monthly or annual fee for access to the membership site and focus on delivering ongoing value to retain subscribers. With each new member sign-up, you'll earn recurring passive income without the need for continuous marketing or promotion. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities for generating passive income online. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur, an investor, or a content creator, there's a path to financial success waiting for you in the digital world. In conclusion, the possibilities for generating passive income online are vast and diverse, offering something for everyone regardless of background or experience. We've provided you with a wealth of knowledge and actionable strategies to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on building wealth and achieving your dreams. Together, let's empower each other to reach new heights of success. Join our community today, and let's make our dreams a reality.